Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna see options like live, video, go live, chat and me. Select go live, then you'll see options like virtual live, multi-guest live, live, audio live and game live. Go ahead and select one of those. Then on the top of the screen you can see this add a title to chat option. Go ahead and add a title or this other settings, like if you want your live to be public or private. If you want to turn on or off your camera, you can also select tag, also create live time, and just tap on go live from the bottom of the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you go live on Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.